Hi everybody, Ben Mock with ShortStack here to show you how to use the Like to Download Music template, which features a fan gate and a number of different ways for fans of the page this template is installed to download music. But before we begin looking at the template itself, I'm going to show you how you can use ShortStack to host downloadable MP3s. You can upload MP3s to your media manager by clicking on the orange Add New Media button and then switching to Single File Uploader and checking the Make Downloadable box. From there you can upload your file. And if I scroll down, you can see some of the MP3s that I've uploaded to my Media Manager previously, down here. With the Make Downloadable box checked, clicking on these URLs begins the download process for the end user. Now if you do plan on having ShortStack host your MP3s, this is the URL you'll need to use when taking the steps outlined in this video. And now that we've talked about making a file downloadable, let's go back to the designer. At the top is an image widget for the page's logo or word mark, and down at the bottom, a links widget so that visitors can visit the page's website, follow the page on Twitter, and share the page. First, I'll show you what this looks like for non-fans by scrolling up and clicking on the non-fan view. And non-fans just see the image widget that's the header. They see a rich text widget telling people to like the page, and then that footer at the bottom. Fans, on the other hand, see quite a bit more. They can see all of these widgets and a number of ways to download a couple songs. Here are some image widgets. Here is a product widget, a links widget, another links widget, and a SoundCloud widget. Now this template is not meant to be used as is. Each of these widgets represents a different way to offer a download to your fans, and the purpose of this video is to show you all the different ways you can set that up. So the first widget we'll look at is the image widget, which has the hotspot that when clicked starts the download process, as you can see there. So I'll edit this widget, and then I'll edit this hotspot, and here is the URL from the Media Manager that will start the download. The second image widget is set up similar to the first, except that in this case there's no hotspot. The entire image is clickable, so you can download by clicking anywhere on the image, just like that. I'll edit this widget, scroll down and expand the Advanced Options menu, and you can see that we've got this widget set to open the MP3 file when someone clicks on it. The next widget we used is the Products widget right here. Each download you see here is a product. I'll click on Download here, and that starts the download process, and so does this download link. I'll edit the widget to show you how we set this up. And here is the first download, and here is the second. I'll edit the first, and you can see where the title of the song goes and where the download URL goes. But by default, this link will read more info. To change that to download, I'll cancel out of this and expand the override labels, messages, and other text menu. And you can see that we've replaced more info with download, so that when I cancel out of here, this link says download instead of more info. Now we get to the links widgets, which are here and here. This first links widget has images that are buttons that start the download, while the second links widget has simple text buttons that activate the download process. I'll edit the first links widget, and you can see where we put the download URL. And this one has the images right here at the bottom. Simply click Select Image and the image selector will pop up. The other links widget has text for the links, and I'll edit that one. And again, there is the download URL and the link text. At the bottom of the app, just above the footer, is the SoundCloud widget. We've got this configured to display all the songs from a SoundCloud user, and we did that by editing the widget and pasting in the SoundCloud user's URL right here. Finally, we have all of these widgets floating left and right, and we did that with extra CSS classes. If I edit the first widget we looked at and click on the Options tab, you can see that it is set to left in the extra CSS classes. Similarly, this widget here will be set to right, and so on and so forth for the products widget and the links widget. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about how to use this template, send us a support ticket at shortstacksupport.com.